Hello guys, and welcome to another video. Today we are actually going on a track day with my E46 M3. I'm just here by a service station filling up my spare tires with some air because I want those tires to be hard, so it will be like slippery and not so much traction. And it is raining today actually as well, so yeah, that's one wheel done. And just take another one. These are my drift spares, and I also have these ones. Okay, now both rear wheels are filled up with air, and the other one actually had like 0.0 bar or PSI in them, so those were pretty toast. But now they got like 3.5 bars. I filled them up with a lot of air, so it will be slippery. And yeah, so I'm really excited about this day. And everybody, if I can hit 1,000 likes on this video, that would just be amazing. So if you like the video, please smash that like button and subscribe if you're not already doing that. So now I'm going to pick up a friend of mine. He's also going to be the cameraman for today because I am going to be driving, and I have with me some GoPros as well. So I think today will be very cool. I think I will get very cool footage actually. So and it will be the first track day in my M3, and so it's like a 2.5 hour drive. So yeah, it's quite a while, but it's quite a long road trip. But yeah, I think it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it'll be very fun to try out my M3. And now with the new rod bearings, I feel like I can use the car. So yeah, hopefully you enjoy this video, and I know that I will have a lot of fun today. So yeah, join me on the ride and let's see how it goes. Just refueled on the M3 and we are ready to hit the track. Let's go! We have a leaky tire. You see, it's pretty much flat, so we need to fill it up before we start. We are ready to hit the track, and we made it through the checkup control. That is not very difficult because my car is the only one here driving with license plates. Everything else here is like drift cars. Mine is the only one with plates. But anyways, let's just start drifting. Okay, we did a few practice laps with the M3 and it felt really good actually, but as you can see it is a little bit wet. Seriously, my 325 would also be very good at this track, but it is good to have enough power, so that feels very good. But let's go out and have some more fun.
Yes, you will be better than this guy.
We will be better than this guy.
Fail. Failed again, Mom. The fuck?
Almost shredded, and it almost popped, but it didn't. I don't want to ruin my beautiful E46. Lovely. Okay, that was literally like 4 rounds or something, and that's it. And then the tire was gone. That was a crappy tire. Look at this. 4 laps, and yeah, not usable anymore. Well, now a few laps later, this survived, but now it was this tire's turn to give it in. Yeah, that's a flats. Time to put on the M3 wheels again and go home. It's been a good day. Hva skal jeg si? Vært en bra dag eller noe sånt? Okay, now we are almost home after a 2.5-hour drive home. So it's been a really good day. The M3 survived, and yeah, it's actually, I'm really impressed by how it performs and how it drives and everything. 343 horsepower is absolutely enough to have a lot of fun. So it started off being very wet on the road, and at that point I knew that I could actually try my 325 out there. I think that would handle pretty good as well, but after some hours into the day, it got like dried up and it stopped raining. So then that was the time I really needed to drive this M3, and that was a lot of fun. And I got some smoke, but not nearly as much as all the like track and drifting cars out there as well. So mine was kind of the worst one out there, actually, to be honest, but still I had a lot of fun. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you liked the video, and subscribe if you're not already doing that, and like the video if you like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.